I love the BISSELL TurboClean Pet XL. I've had this for a few months now. I have definitely put it to the test, so much so that I actually broke the belt. Now, this is a really simple fix, and something that's good to know is that everything about this BISSELL is easy to fix, easy to maintain. So a small thing like this doesn't hold you back. Let me show you how easy this is to fix. All you gotta do is unscrew these screws. So you got these four right here, and don't forget this bottom fifth one right here. And then once you have those all loose, it'll all just pop right out. And as you can see, this is also a great area to clean. I have lots of cat hair and gross debris in here. And then this belt broke off of this and right here. And all I have to do is put the new timing belt on, stretch it in here so it hooks onto this metal bracket, and then pull tight. And then you'll want to make sure that it's actually going on this round piece right here, just like that. That's it. All I need to do now, put this piece back on and screw it back in. And now that's all fixed. And while I'm down here, I can definitely get all the hair out of here as I want, because it definitely does like to collect. And you can see that there's actually a lot of disgusting residue up here too. So I can clean that out real quick. And I'm just using a screwdriver to just get all that gross gunk out. I'm not going for perfection because this is a carpet cleaner. It's just gonna get dirty again. I just want to get the most buildup so it's ready to go. Now that the timing belt is replaced, I'm gonna put this BISSELL back together, as I had taken most of the pieces apart just so it could dry out completely. This piece needs to go right on front here. And what it's for is the actual suction. It goes through this section right here. So that's a really easy piece to take off and clean this section. And then just make sure that when you put it on, you push down hard so it pops into place. This is where you can add your hose. I'm gonna close that for now. And then I actually took this whole tank apart. This tank has this piece in it right here. You just need to wiggle in and spin it till it fits. It has only one way that it'll go in, and then twist on the seal. And I don't take that apart every time, but if I want to really clean the BISSELL, I will. And then make sure this top seal is fully closed as well, as this is where all the dirty liquid goes, and it needs to be fully sealed to get full suction. Pop that in. I also popped the top off the cleaning accessory. This works just like this piece, in that this is where all of the liquid is sucked through, so you definitely want to get that back into place. It's really nice that it can come off. And now that's ready to go if I want to do focused cleaning. And finally, this top goes in the top bucket. This is where you put your cleaning solution. And now it's fully ready to go. And even though I just showed you a bunch of maintenance, in general, you really don't need to do any of that. I just like keeping these open so they air out when not in use. And the timing belt should last a long time, but as you can see, it's very easy to replace as well. The BISSELL TurboClean Pet XL Upright Cleaner.